Section 430.132 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses situations where a single-phase power supply is used to operate a polyphase motor. It mandates the provision of a converter unless the motor is specifically designed to operate from a single-phase supply. Furthermore, Section 430.133 clarifies the requirements for the converter itself, stating that it shall be properly sized and installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Based on these NEC requirements, it is generally more appropriate to install a separate rotary converter for each three-phase tool. This approach ensures that each tool receives the correct voltage and power supply while simultaneously reducing the risk of overloading the single-phase panel. Firstly, separate converters offer individual voltage and current regulation. Each converter can be sized and adjusted to provide the specific voltage and current requirements of each individual tool, ensuring optimal performance. Secondly, separate converters help to reduce the load in the single-phase panel. When multiple tools run simultaneously on a single converter, they can draw a significant amount of current, potentially overloading the panel. By using separate converters, the load is distributed more evenly across the panel. Thirdly, a dedicated converter for each tool isolates that tool from other electrical equipment. This isolation reduces the risk of electrical hazards. Now, let's consider the disadvantages of using a single large rotary converter. Firstly, a single large converter is typically more expensive than multiple smaller converters. Secondly, voltage drop can become an issue. As the distance from the converter increases, the voltage at the tool decreases, which can adversely affect the performance of the tool. Thirdly, there is a potential for overload. If multiple tools are operated simultaneously, the converter may become overloaded. This overloading can lead to overheating and potentially damage the converter. In conclusion, based on the NEC requirements and the technical considerations discussed, it's generally recommended to install separate rotary converters for each three-phase tool. This is generally better than using a single large converter off the single-phase panel. This approach provides better voltage regulation, reduces the load on the single-phase panel, and enhances safety.